Hey guys, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Again, we're in the Sidewynders kitchen. And this evening, we're going to be making cheddar broccoli rice. The last video I did, we were making teriyaki rice. Now we're going to make cheddar broccoli rice. So first thing we're going to do, turn the stove on. We're going to add, since I'm making two of them, we're going to add 3.5 cups of water and bring that up to a boil. In the water, we're also going to add 1/2 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to cover and bring to a boil. Now, honestly, I have preheated some of this stuff, and that's just because I don't want to spend too much time just watching water boil. Gonna have a beer too. Now, if I could ask my brother-in-law John, who's behind the camera, to hand me one of those whisks, because I'm going to need that. Thank you, sir. Just try to break the butter up a little bit. Now, what we're having with this also is a nice meatloaf that John has made. And I'll tell you, oh, that smells so damn good. It looks good. Looks very good too. The other thing is, later on, you can watch a video. If you look over here, I have almost finished my wall for all my cast iron pans. I'll be putting up a video for that later. Right now, we're just trying to get some good, again, like the last video, trying to get some good angles, figure out how everything works, what some good shots are. And that's boiling now. So we're going to turn the heat off. We're going to add in the rice. Stir it up a little bit. And it says cover it and leave it sit for 7 minutes. And again, I still don't have a clock or a timer in the kitchen. Mine is right there on that stand. So, what time is it?
20:38.
20:38 plus 7 minutes would be 20:45. Something like that.
I could just
Set a timer. Yeah, that'd be fine too. Anyway, again, this is another little experiment. Not sure if I'm gonna post this or not. I probably will.
Probably not.
No, I probably will post this anyway.
No, probably not.
Again, we'll give it a shot. But anyway, right now, we're gonna pause it and I'll bring you back. You do? Okay, we're back. We're back, and I'll be honest with you, it's been a little bit over 7 minutes. We have to uncover it now, and I will tell you what, the directions for this, don't double the liquids. It's still a little bit soupy. So I let it go, turned the heat back on and boiled some of that water off, stirring constantly. Now we're going to let it set for 2 minutes and see if it thickens up. If not, not a big deal. We'll just turn the heat back on, boil the water off. Good enough. Anyway, with that being said, I do want to put a shout out to my cousin Mike, who has an excellent cooking, a video, several videos on YouTube for cooking. It is Mike's Cooking Studio. But when you type it in MIKE' space cooking space studio. The man is an awesome dude, very friendly, very nice. He is a sweetheart, and he's very interesting. Unlike me, while he's cooking, he shows you everything. He doesn't pause. He shows you everything. And he just talks. And that's something I'm trying to work on right now, is how to talk to the camera, how to keep things interesting during dead time. Well, we'll wait in the 2 minutes for the rice to firm up. All I know how to do is just kind of, this is easy. This is stuff out of a package. I will be putting out some actual real cooking videos. And if anyone wants to know how we built this wall, that's more my thing, is working with your hands, building walls. This was all made out of old pallets. My brother-in-law John helped me. There will be a video up for that. But right now this is just practice. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this or not. If I do, forgive me. This is just all trial and error. I'm just starting out. Hence the fact that I'm actually having a few beers here.
One for you,
all right.
One for him.
Yep, my brother-in-law John. Anyway, also watch this to the end, because I left John in charge of the camera as I was setting everything up. There's gonna be probably some bloopers and other behind the scenes things.
Behind the what?
Yeah, I think I did better when I was alone here, but love John here helping me. Thank you, John. Appreciate it. Awesome. Anyway, we're going to pause this for a second because I know he needs another beer. All that crushing and cracking you heard, that was him finishing up a beer. We'll be right back.
It was your bones. Ow, fun!
Alright, we're back. Alright, and guess what? Everything firmed up real nice. Got the rice in here good. We're gonna serve up a plate here for my nephew. Over here. Grab a spoon. Serve up a little bit. Make a nice little plate for him. Put that there. And John's. Yeah. Thank you, I got one. That's
Cheers.
A bread knife. We need a meat knife. We need a meat knife.
Shit! It shrunk.
Oh, yeah. Not a big deal.
Sorry.
All right. Ooh, yes.
That is so done.
Oh, that is so nice. Oh,
so firm.
oh my God, that looks so good. It smells. My mouth is watering right now. Ooh, and this is after a few beers,
First time.
and I'm hungry. Can we see that? Does that look good?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, that looks so good. That looks so good.
Damn.
All right, now, is my nephew old enough to use a knife? Should I give him a butter knife for it?
I think you can just use the fork. It's good.
Oh, yeah, you can. Oh, my God, it's so good. All right. Carrion. Carrion. Come hither.
He said, oh, no.
Just heard from the room, in case you guys missed it. He said, oh, no. Oh, no.
She said, which child? Both.
I was calling the boy child. That's my niece, Kerrigan. But you're allowed to come out here as well.
He said he was calling the boy child. That's my niece, Kerrigan. Eat your damn food.
This is my nephew, Carrion. Come here, Carrion.
Make your internet debut.
Oh, yeah. Say hi. Wave to the camera. Wave to everybody there. All right. This food to start with. All right. Right here. Put it right there. Take a bite out of each.
Okay.
Tell us what you think.
Yeah, if it sucked, Mark made it.
What?
Was it good?
Yes.
Oh, I made it. He made the rice.
Oh! Yeah. Careful, it might be hot.
Remember?
Thank you.
All right. Grab
On
your plate,
camera.
get out.
Hmm?
Go. Say, grab your plate, say bye.
Uh-oh.
All right. Go ahead,
Tell
get
your
yourself
sister-
some,
Tell your sister to come out get her plate.
Oh, no.
oh, yeah. All right, that was my nephew Kerrigan. Yeah. That I said that because I screwed up the first time. It sounded like I was talking about my nephew. That was the boy child. That was Kerrigan. My niece, Kerrigan. G for girl. Kerrigan. We're gonna try and get her out here. Get something to eat. Might take some convincing. So, John, let's never mind. I got this.
Carrie, come here.
Just,
Take
peace.
2. 1.
All right, now the girl child, my niece,
The actual one.
Kerrigan. Gonna plate her up plate. Tell me one. Is that enough? Or you want more? This enough? Okay.
Get it.
How large? I need a fork, John. If you hand me a fork.
She can get her own fork. I'm not touching her fork.
Well, I need one to actually cut the meat with. Look good? Right there? Okay.
Kind of look like that ring chick. Like, oh, in the back of the head.
Oh, God. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Do you need a knife? No? All right. Now, do me a favor. Just wave to everyone. Say hi, please. Please. Say hi. There you go. All right.
Oh my God,
Now,
she said hi.
one more thing. Take one bite. Your dad, this is the first time your dad has ever made meatloaf.
Really?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Honest to God.
My day, the females made the meatloaf.
Is it good?
Now I gotta do it.
Tell him it's good.
It's good.
It's good. Okay. All right. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Now you can go away. Thank you. All right, guys. We're just, like I said, we're trying the camera angles here. We're trying different things. But, my brother-in-law, John, this was the first time he ever made meatloaf. That's why we had the kids test it. Because we can run them to a hospital quicker than we can ourselves. And we'll give you an update. Make sure they survive. But my God, I'll tell you what. The girl child here at Kerrigan is still standing there eating. So she has not moved. So it must be really good. John, you did a good job. You did a real good job. High five. All right, 2 thumbs up from John. High five. Good deal. Good deal. John, be proud. Be proud. You did very good. You did really good. You did very good. Outstanding. Again, if you want to see a real good video of somebody that knows what they're doing, my cousin Mike. Mike's Cooking Studio. MIKE''S space Cooking Studio. Alright. Please go to his channel. Watch, like, subscribe. Leave a comment too. Tell him his cousin Sidewinder sent you there, and give him my love. Alright, you all have yourselves a good evening. We'll talk to you later. And watch the end of this video for even more mistakes and behind the scenes looks. Thank you, John. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the behind the scenes view of what was going on. There's a couple pictures, but most of it is video. Again, you all enjoy. Have a good evening. Bye now.
The reason Benjamin Franklin invented the bifocals, and yet he's still at arm's distance. It's amazing. Look at little Chuck Skywalker go.
Hey.
And his pan's already heating up.
I'm reading this shit first.
He's got to read it. We'll let him read, and then we'll do the tutorial on the food. Like burnt hair over there, and you're Peg Bundy in the food. See, everybody, this is behind the scenes shit you don't get to see. Ah, shit. He's a sexy guy in the background. He's gonna hide behind the curtains. Oh, he's back. Well, Chuck Skywalker. There you go. You're making rice. We'll be back for the tutorial.